So, hi everyone, I'm Rajan Chaudhary from Manzil Immigrations. Today I'm here for you with a lot of opportunities for you. Those who want to study in USA for Indian students. How to study in the USA from India? You know, in 2016, Indians were the top recipient of the high skilled H1B visas and were also the second largest community of international students were staying in USA. You know one thing? The US government, according to US government records, claim the immigrants from India are better educated, more likely to have strong English languages, and if I talk about arrive on employment based visas and are less likely to live below the poverty line than the overall immigrant population. You know, many Indians work in science, technology, engineering, and mathematics field. Almost one third of all Indian immigrants, one third of all Indian immigrants reside in just two states, California and New Jersey. More than one quarter of all Indian immigrants live in three major metropolitan areas. What are they? New York, Chicago, and San Jose. So, guys, if you have any query regarding this video, you can share your query in the comment section. I will do my best to answer you as soon as possible. You can also share your profile on my WhatsApp number 99146 15605. I will tell you what is better for you, which course is better for you, which university is better for you, and which country is better for you. And for this guidance, we don't take any kind of charge. Thank you so much.